friends, Running Kimono here. I hope you guys are all having a really good Sunday. So Walgreens was kind of interesting today. One register reward didn't print, another one did. So I know that Dawn's deal had a lot of problems today, but I still was able to make a lot of deals work. So we will discuss that. And I'll give you some deals without boosters as well, in case you just want to go into the store, grab a couple things, and then leave like a ninja. And then by chance today over at Meijer, lots of stuff 90% off. I found this all on an end cap. If you have one of these grocery stores and you live in the Midwest, we'll go through some of these price points. It was so cheap for all of this stuff, I could not help myself. Okay, the weather report for you guys. What a beautiful day it is out there. Hi to my mom if she's watching. I hope she's having a great day. And it's just kind of like a nice sunny day. So kind of cold though still. So the first store that we have is Walgreens. And yes, I went in store today. Now we're going to talk about various deals if you want to do them. Such like without a booster, just rolling a little bit of Walgreens cash. We'll just go through that. The first super deal that I think everyone should be doing is on the Scott's toilet paper. So this big guy is $5 on the nose. We have a $1.25 IVC plus a $1 digital coupon that showed up this morning. So it makes it $2.75, a really good deal. Let's not forget to photograph your receipt to the Fetch Rewards app. They have this progressive of spend 50, get back 15. I'm inching every week when I buy stuff like this to get my $15. So a super, super deal. The next super deal that we have is with the Oral-B, these flossers. So if you have braces or something like that, this is definitely the thing to buy. These are $3 a pop, so that's $9. I believe there's a 4 off of 3 digital coupon. It didn't attach for me for whatever stupid reason, but I did get the $4 by calling customer service. Anyhow, hopefully you have better luck than I. I paid, what you theoretically should do is grab 3 of these for $9. Use that 4 off of 3. It's attaching in the app, but it didn't work for me, so I don't know what's going on. You would theoretically pay 5 out of pocket, and then yes, this printed for me this morning, so that worked. It just basically makes these completely free. Really good deal. Another stupendous deal is the Garnier hair dye. If you bought $20 of shampoo this month, instead of getting a regular $5 register reward, they gave us $5 back when you buy a hair dye, or 5 off of a hair dye, which is a really weird one. So I grabbed this one. It is $7.99 on the nose. We have a $2 digital for this product. And then so the new price point is $5.99. I used that $5 store coupon or whatever, and it made it 99 cents for a Garnier hair dye that's upwards of $9–10 bucks. So I will take that all day, every day. Really good deal is with these Skintimate shave gels. We got a digital coupon, and the digital coupon was for either $1 off Edge or the $1 off the Skintimate. It wasn't 1 off of each, so that kind of sucks. But grabbing 3 of these, that is $8.97. We have the $1 digital coupon. You pay $7.97. Get back $3 in Walgreens cash, making it $4.97 for the 3, or $1.65 each. And for the floss, the shave cream, the Garnier, and the toilet paper, if you wish to use a little bit of Walgreens cash to pay down your balance, you can absolutely do that, because we are doing these deals without a booster. So hopefully that is crystal clear. Now, what I did, guys, I had one spend 20 get back 5. The did printed for me was spend 50, get back 10, but that's just a bit too expensive for me. So this is what I went with. I just did a really basic deal. These secret deodorants are buy 3, get back a $5 register reward. Sorry, we have a cat fight happening right there. What's going on, guys? Come on, stop it. Okay, so back to this. I grabbed 3 of these deodorants for $18. We have a 5 off of 3 digital. And then I also grabbed this guy for $3.99. So the total there is $21.99. Now, if you recall, last January or December, there was some sort of mailer that you could send something into P&G because there was talc or something carcinogenic in their products, and they would send you back a coupon for the amount, like $6 or $7. Now, I tried it out this morning with this, and if it would scan, that's great. If not, I would use the 5 off of 3. And guess what, guys? At Walgreens, those coupons actually scan. So hold on to your hold on to your seat for this one. We have $21.99, and I had 3 of those $6 coupons. $18 came off. I just had to pay for this guy. I didn't have a digital coupon though. So I paid $3.99 out of pocket plus tax because I have a booster. And then I got back $5 in Walgreens cash for spending $20. I also got back, I didn't get back a $5 printed register reward for this. I don't know why. The manager just gave me $5 of Walgreens cash, but it didn't print for this for whatever reason. And then IBOTTA has a $2 rebate for this, so I got that back. So it made it just a really super deal and a way for me to offload these stupid $7 coupons from P&G because they look very hokey pokey. Now, if you do not have those coupons that I described, this is how you're gonna do it. Grab all of these products for $21.99. We have a digital 5 off of 3 you'll use for that. You'll pay $16.99 as you're using the booster. Spend 20, get back 5. You'll pay $16.99 with your debit card and then get back 5 for the booster, a $5 register reward for the 3 secret products, and then $2 back from IBOTTA, making it $4.99 for the 4. If you have the $7 coupons, it's obviously a better use of your coupons, but still a really good little dealio for me. I also got these printing out of the Catalina machine, a $3.50 off 100 count Excedrin. If we have that deal of spend 20, get back, or spend like 20 on Excedrin, get back 10, this would be super. These are May sometime, so I'm definitely gonna hang on to these. And then I also pick up the newspaper when I'm at Walgreens. The paper here is $1.50. So grabbing a couple, yes, you can use Walgreens cash to pay it down. And it's just a way that you can have some manufacturers, you know, for little deals and stuff. So yeah, definitely got some of those. And yes, you can use Walgreens cash to buy these. So that was Walgreens. If you're going to do a booster or do some deals on their own, a lot of things to unpack. Good luck with that. And I'm so delighted I was finally able to do a deal with those stupid coupons from the P&G. So over at Meijer, they had all this stuff in the beauty section on an end cap. So really super deal. The first product I have is like, I could probably show you, it's easier than to describe it. It's like a little thing to do your nails and then the different nails to do gel nails. And obviously I never do my nails because I work all the time and so I always chip my nails. Sally Hansen, I think this will make a really nice gift. $4.50, 90% off. So this was $50 at one point and it comes with all this stuff. Look for it on an end cap. Can't beat these prices. We have some Cora pads for 70 cents. I mean, just terrific prices. A lot of Carol's Daughter products. This was some sort of like, it's for smoothing out your hair, some sort of gel, 84 cents. Also by Carol's product, we have this hair milk for $1.25. And then also by Carol's Daughter, we have this wash all day. So it is a wet shampoo. Like you put it in your hair and then you just can wash it. And I guess it's like water or something, some sort of conditioner tonic, $1.16. This is, I believe, by Head & Shoulders, but 94 cents for this. A really good price point. This is a newer product by Pantene, and this was 80 cents. So really excited to try that. And then the Dub Amplify shampoo for 74 cents. I'm gonna photograph this receipt to the Fetch Rewards app because something's gonna give me back some extra points. And then we have some gel, you know, just for flyaways and stuff. It's always really good. 43 cents. I mean, some of these prices unheard of. And again, Meijer is in the Midwest only. And then I got this for my husband, this shaving powder, 20 cents. So the original price point was $2, and they're probably discontinuing this guy. And I got 4 of them. So that was my little adventure over at Meijer. And if you can track this stuff down, make it happen. As always, guys, thank you so much for watching. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye.